The following message is transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration and the United States government. Reports received in all countries that the cake from stores and restaurants was contaminated with a virus called birthday virus. Symptoms of the birthday virus may include, but not limited to, the following: headaches, nausea, dizziness, difficulty breathing, loss of speech, vomiting, fever, chills, lack of appetite, seizures, paralysis, or most certainly death. This is a very dangerous virus, and this has to be taken seriously. If you have eaten cake within the last hour, you will face certain death. Do not eat any cake that you found from the stores or restaurants. Don't throw them away in the garbage. Instead, they need to be disposed properly. Put them in a container so the National Guard will take them to an undisclosed location. Cakes will not be sold to restaurants, stores, etc. Don't eat any cake until this dangerous situation is over. Tune to your station for more updates on this developing situation. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national crisis across the United States. Many reports that people died from the birthday virus has woken up and became cake monsters that was caused by the birthday virus cake. These cake monsters are eating and killing every people that they see in its path. Many reports received in all states that the cake monsters are invading the 50 states, including Alaska, Hawaii. These cake monsters have the following characteristics: white fur, red eyes, sharp claws on its hand, and sharp teeth. These cake monsters are extremely dangerous and should not be approached by anyone. All residents are advised to seek an underground shelter right now, and if supplies will last you during this dangerous event. This is a very catastrophic and dangerous situation that should not be ignored. Please carry out the following instructions to stay safe. Stay tuned for more updates in this dangerous event.